My name is Bill Knighton. I'm with K&A Manufacturing. I'm the president and founder. K&A Manufacturing has been involved with manufacturing ergonomic products for approximately 32 years. We started manufacturing wrist supports to help prevent carpal tunnel syndrome. We started manufacturing height adjustable desks about 15 years ago. We found there was a need for us to manufacture the product ourselves, so we had more control over the quality and the manufacturing process. K&A Manufacturing is a manufacturer of office furniture and office furniture accessories. We manufacture products for our office furniture product line, Right Angle, and also for other manufacturers under a private label brand. A private label manufacturer is a company that makes products for other companies that would either have input on our product line or they would buy it as is and attach their own private label branding. BTOD has been working with us for a number of years, and they started with a product that we imported for them, and we made some small adjustments to, and we found that we could improve on the product. BTOD's customers were giving them feedback on what they felt could be improved, and we took that feedback along with their team and developed our new product, VertDesk. Having a company like BTOD working with us helps bring input from their customer base. They have direct input from their customers, which really helps us in the development of our products. All right, so I just want to talk about a few things with our columns and how we manufacture them. This is we call it an NET leg for VertDesk. It's the V3. And with this product, what we did is we developed it so we could have the foot already attached, welded on. You can see the weld points for the top of the foot, and there's weld points inside the foot that travel all the way through the base up to the top of the foot. Also, the cross support mount is also welded on, and you can see where the glides are inside the column. Now the top that attaches to your work surface, that's here. So here we also decided to weld the bracket on rather than using any type of screw fasteners. And you can also see the glides that are on the bottom and a cover to conceal it. Now with welding the product, you eliminate any problems of loose screws that can create wobble within your table. And we thought that was really important. And that was pretty much an idea directly from BTOD. About 15 years ago, when we started manufacturing height adjustable tables, we wanted to use the best components possible. We chose KETTERER. KETTERER gears are a German company, and they've been manufacturing gears for a very long time. And we use this gear here. You can see it's very precise and very smooth. The smoother the gear, the less power it takes to move the table. All right, so what we're doing here is we're adjusting the glides to fit the tube. We have several different sizes that are available, and they just snap in, and our employees are really good at making sure we have the proper fit within the columns. The material we use is a Delrin product. Delrin works really well for wear quality and durability. Now we're just making sure the glides that we did install in the tube are correcting the problem so we do have the proper fit. If you don't have the proper fit, you can experience wobble in the highest height and sometimes even in the lowest height. Now we're installing our gear, the KETTERER gear. So what she's doing is she's just pulling the tube into the correct location. What she's doing now is putting a hex rod in to make sure the location is correct for the screw installation. And then we'll be installing the mounting screws. They're going to pull the column through and make sure it's working properly. The last step is we just do a final cleaning, and from there we'll install it in the box, and then it's ready to be shipped. So here's the metal shop for K&A Manufacturing. This is where we manufacture the metal components used in the Vert V3 and many of our other products. Right now we're using our CNC laser to cut the U-channels that support the work surface on the Vert V3. Right now, we are setting our macchiato work surface material on top of our bucelato router. He'll position it, load up the program, and it'll go through the process cutting whatever shapes that they have programmed for today. In this process with the CNC router, not only is it going to cut the shape, it's also going to put starter holes in for all the screws that are necessary to install the work surface to the height adjustable table base. Here we have our Galaxy White work surface with our Forever Edge banding. What that is it's a process where we use hot air. It's also called laser edge banding. It's a new process that was developed just a couple years back, so it's pretty state-of-the-art. And what's nice about it, what we like, is that it doesn't leave a glue line because it actually doesn't apply glue. It uses a material, or what we call a functional layer, that's built into the edge banding that when heat's applied, it literally becomes part of the work surface, which makes it permanent and virtually impervious to water.